Hey, Fivers!
Hey!
David and I just finished building these really awesome scooter stands! What? What? Yeah. Guess I can shut off this camera, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Did you have fun doing this?
Yeah, I really did.
I think that these work even better than I was expecting.
Yeah, me too.
Because I wasn't sure if just leaning against the wheel was going to be enough, but it is enough.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if the scooter with the pegs was going to be able to work, but the scooter with the peg works.
Yeah, I thought that the side was going to be too high and it was going to hit the peg.
No, man.
And we would have to make a little peg indent.
We could have.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about building these?
Having fun.
Yeah? Aw. Yeah. Having fun is fun. If you get to build stuff with your kids, I'm sure that you would agree. Stuff is fun. When you have kids someday, you'll want to build stuff with your kids too, right?
Yeah.
Some people, though, when I did my shelf brackets, you know the brackets that hold all the filament upstairs?
Yeah.
I sold those for $2, the model. The model. So someone could download it for $2 and print 100 of them if they liked. And some of the people didn't like that. They said, you should be giving it away for free. And you know what I said?
What?
I said, you know what? The video, I showed you exactly how to make it. So instead of me giving you the model for free, I showed you how to make it for free. And if you don't want to spend the time making it or learning, then you can just buy it.
Yeah.
And so that's why I think these are going to be $2.
Okay.
So someone could buy the model for $2 and they could print 50 of them and have parking for 50 scooters.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be crazy?
Yeah.
What was your favorite one of the 4 that we made?
Either the black one or the green one.
Really?
Yeah.
I like
Or this one.
Well, that one was made with Tallman nylon, and nylon is a really strong material. And I made a lot of perimeters. You know the loops around a model or something? We call those perimeters. And it had a whole bunch. And it had some pretty cool infill. So it's strong. Nylon itself, if it's like a thin strip, oh, excuse me, it can flex. I have some of that upstairs I can show you. But when you make a rigid model and you put enough infill and perimeters around it, then it's sturdy. Because you could probably stand on that. I don't want you to. Not right now. And that one over there, the black one, was made with this really cool material. It's called PET, which stands for polyethyl tetrachlorination. I don't even remember what PET stands for. But a lot of times, soda bottles are made out of, or water bottles, soda bottles, they're made out of PET material. But the reason it's black is because it's infused with a carbon fiber.
Cool.
Which makes it a little bit stiff.
Cool. Cool. What is the green one made out of?
PLA.
Oh.
But a really nice, shiny PLA.
What is that one made out of?
PLA as well.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
One of the things that the people at home might not know about, this is the second time we did this, huh?
Yeah.
The first time, what happened?
You had to blow your nose a bunch and sniffle.
It was terrible, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I was blowing my nose and I was sneezing and sniffling. It was awful.
Yeah.
But
we fixed it.
But we fixed it. You know what we could do?
What?
The board itself, depending on the final board that we use, we could paint it.
Cool.
Or we could draw someone's initials on it. Like that's their parking spot for their scooter.
Oh.
Which would be pretty cool, huh?
And then for the one that we don't use, we could just put anybody.
Yeah, you could put guest. You could put guest.
Guest scooter.
How'd you like filming in our garage, David?
Awesome.
It's I had to clean up this spot a little bit, and I think I did a good job.
Yeah.
It's pretty clean right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, the light keeps going off. There we go. I got it.
I got it.
We got it.
We got it.
Anything else you want to say to the folks at home? These are the people that are part of my High Five Club.
Cool.
That means they donate $5 or more to me every month because they like what I do with the channel and they want to support what I do. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I always say a huge thanks to my patrons. You want to say anything? You want to say hi or bye or do
I
a
have
dance?
two things.
Okay.
Have fun doing stuff,
Ooh.
and have fun doing your stuff.
Have fun doing stuff, and that's one. And two is have fun doing your stuff. Should we build something again in the future?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Maybe we should build a bike stand.
Ooh, maybe we could. Maybe we could build a really cool one using these same principles. Maybe. All right. Well, I'm going to end it for now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks again for your help, David. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay. Tell the audience you'll see him in the next one.
See you in the next one.
But do it like this. Put some emphasis on you. So big, I'll see you.
I'll see you in the next one.
Perfect.
Like that?
Just like that. You want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
I'll see you in the next one.
Brilliant. Brilliant.